in this video, I would like to show you how to make a simple CRUD application in C#. First, I am going to show you the inserting part. First of all, I am going to create a new project. Here, we need Windows Form application. Here you will see Windows Form App.NET Framework. This is the one that I want. Then click on Next. Here I will change my project name as ADO.NET. Now click on Create button. Here is our project and you will see the design view here. If we want to see the code view, you have to right click on the design view and click on view code. Here is the C# code for the design here. Here you will have some files created automatically. We do not make any changes inside these files. Here is our toolbox. Then you have to go inside your SQL server and create a database. I have already created a database which is named as sample. Inside my sample database, I will create a new table. I will name it as student table. Table student. Inside the student table, we will have three kind of columns: student ID, student name and student marks. First I am writing student ID column. Data type will be int. Student ID is our primary key. So I will add primary key constraint here. Then I will add identity keyword because I want to make student ID auto increment. Then student name, data type varchar 50, marks column, data type will be int. Then I will run the code. These are the three columns that I created. Now let's move to the coding part. Here is our design view. Let's say if we want to add some text or display some text in our form, I will use labels for that. This label is used to display the word name. Go inside your properties, then you will see text here. Here I will give text name. Then I need another table to display the word marks. Now we want to add a label ID. So LBL name. ID for marks label is label marks. Let's add some text boxes to input data. Search for text box. I need two text boxes. I will give an ID to text box, which is to insert our name. TXT name. Then our marks text box. TXT marks. Then I'm adding a button. I will name the button as insert. And button ID will be btn insert. Now we have to fire the click event for this insert button. We can use two methods for that. One is, here you will see events. Go inside the events and here you will see click events. Double click on that. Or else you can just double click on the insert button. Now we have to make the connection with our SQL database. First we have to import API using system.data.sql client. This is the namespace we use to import API. Inside the button insert click event method, I will write my connection string. String name for my connection string cnstr equal inside inverted commas you have to add data source equal name of your SQL server. Here is my name of SQL server. I will add this one here. Then add your database name as initial catalog. Equal my database name is sample. And then integrated security equal true. SQL connection equal cn. I will create the cn object here with the class SQL connection. Then I will add insert query. SQL string object is created equal inside inverted commas insert into our table name is table student. Then add the values. First you have to add single quotes. Inside that I am adding double quotes. Then add 2 plus marks. Inside these 2 plus marks you have to give ID for our text box, which is to insert name. Here is the text box to insert name. Here is the ID for that. Then .txt. We want to convert the value that we add into txt name text box into text. Then comma. Again single quotes, inside that double quotes. Inside the double quotes add 2 plus marks. Then txt marks dot txt. Now SQL command equal cmd equal new SQL command. SQL string comma connection. Then I will open the connection. Int n equals cmd dot execute none query. If n equal 1, you will be shown a message box which says successfully inserted. Then else part message box dot show insertion failed. Finally, you have to close the connection. Now let's run our program and see how our insertion part works. Here I will add my name as Raj, then marks 40. Click on insert button. You will see successfully inserted message, then click on OK. Now let's go inside the SQL Server Management Studio and let's see whether our data inserted. Select all from student table. Here is the data that I inserted. It means our insertion part works without any error. Now let's try out the deletion part. For that I'm going to the design part. We need another button. I will name this button as delete. Then button ID btn delete. Double click on that. Then you will see button delete click event method. We use the same thing. So I will copy this one and paste here. Instead of this insert query, I will write down the delete query. Delete from, give your table name here, student table. Then at where clause, column name will be student name, equal, then single quotes, inside single quotes at double quotes. Inside double quotes you have to add 2 plus marks. Then text name dot txt. I will change the message as successfully deleted, and if any error, deletion failed. Now let's run this one and see the output. I will add another name as Kumar, then marks 30. Insert data. Successfully inserted. Okay. Now let's go inside our table and let's see whether it is updated. Here you will see we have another record for Kumar. Now let's see how the deletion part works. Name will be Kumar. I want to remove the record for Kumar. Then click on delete button. Successfully deleted. Let's see whether it is deleted. Here you can see record for Kumar has removed. Now let's see how to do the update part. For that I need another button. And button name will be update. Button ID btn update, and double click on update button. We need the same thing as here. I will change this delete query as update. Update, then give your table name. It is table student. Set, I want to update marks. Then we need marks column. equal single quotes, then inside single quotes and double quotes, inside the double quotes 2 plus marks, then txt marks dot text. Then the where clause, the student name equal single quotes, double quotes, then 2 plus marks, txt name dot text. Message should be successfully updated. Then if any error, update failed. Let's run this one and see the output. I will add another record as John, and John marks will be 60. I want to update John's marks to 90. Let's see how to do that. Name will be John, then marks 90. Click on update button. Successfully updated. This is how we create a CRUD operation by using C#. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.